Good afternoon.
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. The economic news will be presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
and Takhmina Salomova.
You are watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
What currencies did investors favor for last week?
By the end of Friday's trading, the US dollar fell against the basket of other major currencies, recording the biggest decline in 3 weeks.
And what hindered the greenback's drop?
The dollar was falling amid fears over the prospect of further interest rate hikes this year and an inflation slowdown. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback's positions compared to 6 major currencies, dropped to 96.98 Friday, retreating from a one-month peak hit on Thursday. For the week, the dollar's index saw a very small change of 17 points up. President of the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis, James Bullard, said on Friday that the Fed should suspend further interest rate increases and assess the economic growth. Early last week, the dollar rose after statements by President of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, William Dudley, who said that improvement in the labor market was likely to lead to higher wages and an acceleration in the rate of inflation. Euro versus American dollar went up by 0.39% to 1.1194. For the week, the euro lost 3 points against the dollar. The GBP/USD pair closed at 1.2718, but over the week the pound still moved down by 40 points. The pound went up after outgoing representative of the Bank of England, Christine Forbes, made statements in favor of tightening monetary policy. She said that it is no longer possible to postpone an increase in the interest rate in the UK. That is all about movements in the forex market. Ekaterina, what trends were seen in commodity market last week?
In the oil market, prices ended in the green on Friday, but suffered the fifth weekly lows in a row, the longest run of weekly declines since 2015. Some of the world's largest producers expressed a willingness to stick to output cuts, providing support to oil quotes for their session. However, prices were stuck in a bear market amid strong production in the United States. Brent August futures in London closed at $45.54 a barrel on Friday, 26 cents higher than they opened the session. The contracts fell by 3.9% over the week. August West Texas Intermediate crude futures edged up by 27 cents to settle at $43.01 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. For the week, prices lost 4.4%. Meanwhile, gold prices climbed for a third consecutive session on Friday. However, the rise on the back of the US dollars and equities weakness was not enough to give the yellow metal a boost for the week. So August gold futures settled at $1,256.40 per 3 ounce, down a dime from last Friday's close and posting losses in each session of the past 2 weeks.
Ekaterina, thank you for your review of the commodity market. You've watched the weekly review of foreign exchange and commodity market on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
With us, Takhmina Salomova
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Good luck and goodbye.
See you soon.